20 Minutes Guide Understanding the Significance of Bitcoin and Blockchain by Leo Wang. So, what is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or a single administrator that can be sent from user to user on the peer-to-peer Bitcoin network without the need for intermediaries. We need to notice there are three keywords here: decentralized, peer-to-peer, digital currency. To better understand Bitcoin, we need to first understand why we need digital currency and what does Bitcoin network miner do. Anyway, why we need digital currency? We need digital currency for borderless and efficient means of transaction that empowers individuals by reducing reliance on traditional banking systems and offering financial inclusion. Actually, we have many pain points here. First, we don't like a bureaucratic banking system. Second, we don't like inflation and heavy regulation. Third, we want to transfer money faster and cheaper. So, what does Bitcoin network miner do? A Bitcoin network miner performs complex cryptographic calculations to validate and secure transactions, adding them to the blockchain and earning newly minted Bitcoin and transaction fees as rewards for their computational efforts. Essentially, there are three key points we need to understand. First, Bitcoin miner as a ledger. A Bitcoin miner maintains a complete and updated copy of the blockchain, making the Bitcoin network essentially a network of distributed ledgers, which enhances the integrity and security of transaction data. Second, security through decentralization. Due to the decentralized and redundant nature of the network, compromising the Bitcoin network would require gaining control of more than 50% of the total mining power, a feat that is practically infeasible due to the immense resources required, thereby ensuring robust security. Third, mining rewards and computational power. Miners compete to solve cryptographic challenges, with the first to succeed adding a new block to the blockchain and earning Bitcoin rewards and transaction fees. Higher computational power directly increases a miner's chances of success in this competition. This process is also called hash collision, referring to the process of finding the required value that results in the desired hash output. So, what is the transaction process of a Bitcoin? The sender initiates a Bitcoin transaction, signs it with their private key, and broadcasts to the network, where miners validate and add it to the blockchain, completing the transfer to the recipient's wallet. What is a Bitcoin wallet? How to get a Bitcoin private key or a Bitcoin address? A Bitcoin wallet is a digital tool that stores a user's private keys, enabling them to send and receive Bitcoin and view their transaction history and available balance. Some key points we need to understand. First, anyone can develop a full functional Bitcoin wallet. Second, Bitcoin address is generated instead of registered. Third, Bitcoin private key is also generated instead of registered. That means we don't need to connect it to the internet to generate a private key or address. Fourth, Bitcoin transaction information is stored on blockchain publicly. That means anyone can access with a browser. Last, anyone can generate countless private keys and countless addresses for free. Now, you might wonder, what is the value of a Bitcoin? Why should anyone buy a Bitcoin? Bitcoin holds value because it is scarce, decentralized, secure, and has gained widespread acceptance as a means of exchange and store of value. Let me share 3 examples to help you grasp the meaning of this phrase. Why are roses on Valentine's Day several times more expensive than usual? Why can a t-shirt priced at $10 can be sold for $100 just by printing Mickey Mouse on it? Why can a diamond be exchanged for a Tesla or even a luxurious mansion? The roses on Valentine's Day, as well as the Mickey Mouse and the diamonds, what is the true nature of their value? The value of any item, be it a currency, commodity, or asset, is fundamentally derived from a collective agreement or belief in its worth. This consensus is shaped by a variety of factors such as utility, scarcity, and demand. So it's not just artworks or bitcoins. As long as a consensus has been established, even tulips can become objects of speculation. Recognizing that consensus defines value gives us confidence in trading Bitcoin. The critical question is how to identify the right moment to buy or to sell. This is where opinions start to diverge. Regardless of your price formula, you should always pay attention to trading volume, market cap, and difference between supply and demand. Now we know what is Bitcoin. But what is an altcoin, like a Dogecoin, Litecoin, Zcash, Dash? What are they? An altcoin uses the same blockchain technology with a different consensus, or we can say a different story or different narrative. And they need different miners or different software or machine to mine a coin. But simply put, they are parallel with Bitcoin. Okay, before 2017, if you want to have your own altcoin or you want to mint your own cryptocurrency, you need to come up with a compelling narrative to establish consensus, which is always the key part. Meanwhile, you need a robust network of miners to make this happen. However, after 2017, with Ethereum, you can launch your cryptocurrency without the concern for the miners network, which we call public chain. Your coin or token will run on the Ethereum's network instead. So, what is Ethereum anyway? According to their official website, Ethereum is a technology that is home to digital money, global payments, and applications. But in my view, this official definition or explanation is still vague. In my words, Ethereum democratized the ability to mint currency, providing a platform and Solidity programming language for quickly creating and minting coins in a minute. But the value of your coin depends on the story you tell. Ethereum handles the technological side, not the value narrative or proposition of your currency. You need to build consensus around your currency by yourself. Are there any alternative to Ethereum? Well, many public chains mimic Ethereum's capabilities. Yet Ethereum maintains its dominance due to its solid consensus and strong market position. What is the narrative of a public chain? The public chain maintains the strongest consensus with the value proposition that is the most convincing. Digital ecosystems will be built on top of public chains. Their coins are akin to fiat money and serve as an incentive to miners. If you want to create or operate a decentralized application, you need coins. Decentralized applications include payment, DEX, or decentralized exchange, DeFi, GameFi, and users need coins to consume these decentralized applications.